6. In this video, I'll guide you through how to get a CSV Coinbase statement. If you need a CSV version of your Coinbase transaction history for bookkeeping, tax preparation, or your own financial records, Coinbase makes it easy to generate and download one directly from your account. The exact layout of the dashboard may vary slightly depending on your region or if Coinbase updates its interface, but the overall process remains very similar. Let's get started. I'm already signed in to my Coinbase account and on the home screen. From here, head to the top right corner of the page and click on your profile icon. In the menu that appears, select Manage Profile to open your account settings. Once you're inside your account settings, you'll see a navigation menu along the left-hand side. From there, click on Statements. This section contains your available account statements as well as options for creating custom reports. If you simply need one of your recent statements, you'll see a list of available reports. To download one as a CSV file, just click the CSV option next to the statement you want. The file will begin downloading to your computer, making it easy to open in spreadsheet software or share with your accountant if needed. If you're looking for something more specific, Coinbase also allows you to generate a custom report. Over on the right side of the page, you'll find options to customize the report based on your needs. For example, you can choose a larger date range, such as year-to-date, if you need a complete record for tax season or annual bookkeeping. You can also customize the report by transaction type. If you only need purchases, only sales, or transactions involving specific assets, simply select those options before creating the report. This can help keep your data organized and reduce the amount of information you need to sort through later. After you've selected the date range and any filters you want to apply, make sure the report format is set to CSV. Then click Generate to create your report. Depending on the size of the report and the amount of account activity, it may take a few moments before it's ready to download. And that's all there is to it. That's how you can generate and download a CSV Coinbase statement directly from your account. If this guide helped you, consider leaving a like, and thanks for watching.